Hello and welcome to the Virtual Training Company's Guide to MySQL. My name is Joshua Mustafa and I'm going to be taking you from absolute beginner level to a mastery of MySQL, where you'll be able to design and develop your own complex database management systems. I don't expect you to know anything about databases at this point, or about SQL, that is structured query language. We'll be going through all of those things in the following chapters. However, I do expect you to know your way around a computer and to have MySQL installed in the particular operating system format that you're running on your machine. In this chapter, we're going to take a look at the basic things that you're going to need in order to use MySQL and develop databases. We're going to have a look at your choice of development environment, which is something that you need to be very comfortable with. We're going to look at the MySQL monitor versus various GUI alternatives, that's graphical user interface, and web-based administration, another possibility. We're going to look at all those things in our next movie.